Hello students, welcome to new video of class 10th mathematics chapter circle part 5. But in previous video we explained all the proving parts of this chapter and some concepts. So next means today video we explain only the numerical problem which are come in board examinations and very important questions. Firstly we explain 4 marks question. So firstly you all read the question, then we solve. This is a 4 marks question and very good concept used in this question. So read the question. The question is, a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segment BD and BC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of length 8 and 6 cm respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. If I say a circle of radius 4 cm, a triangle is circumscribing the circle and here touches the circle at D point. Radius is perpendicular 4 cm divided by this line 6 cm and 8 cm BD and DC. So find AC and BC. Let's see. If I say BD equal to BE, DC is equal to EC and AF equal to AE, because tangent drawn from external points are equal. So if this is 6, this is 6, this is 8, this is 8, AE and AF we can't, so we can suppose that let AE, firstly write AE is equal to AF is equal to X centimeter tangent from A. Same BD equal to BE equal to 6 centimeter tangent from B. CD equal to CF equal to 8 centimeter tangent from C. Because tangent drawn from external points are always equal. So you want AC. What is AC? AC. So X plus 8 and AB is equal to X plus 6. Means if we only want to find the value of X, so we get AB and AC. I hope so you understand what the question say. So if only we want to find the value of X, so you get the value of AC and AB. So my main motive in this question, finding X. So let's firstly understand the figure, then we solve again. So let's see. Here the construction part, you know the Hume's formula. So firstly we join. Suppose this is O, join OB, OC, OA, and these are the radius perpendicular. 4, 4. Join OA, OB, OC, OE, and OF. You know, if you see, there are three triangles, AOB, AOC, BOC. So these all three triangles are area half base into height. So this is base and this is height 4, height 4, height 4, and here base is 14, here base x plus 6, here base x plus 8. If we combine these three triangles, so we get the whole triangle ABC. Means we can say area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC. Means big triangle is the sum of area of all three triangles. So we can find the area. Area of triangle ABC, finding by Heron's formula. So first you find the value of S. A plus B plus C by 2. A is x plus 6, 14, x plus 8 by 2. 2x plus 28 by 2, x plus 14. 2 taken common and 2 cancel. So we get x. We rub this figure because whole triangle ABC is here. So in place of area of triangle ABC, S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Area of triangle ABC, half base into height, half base into height, half base into height. Then put all the values. S, x plus 14, x plus 14 minus A, x plus 6, x plus 14 minus B, 14, S, x plus 14 minus C, x plus 8 is equal to half AB, x plus 6 into 4, half BC, 14 into 4, half x plus 8 AC into 4, height. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Open the bracket. X plus 14 is same. Let's see the trick, or you can say easily to solve the question. Open the bracket. X plus 14 minus x minus 6, x plus 14 minus 14, x plus 14 minus x minus 8 is equal to 2. Open the bracket. 2x plus 12, 28, 2x plus 16. Multiply by 2 in the bracket. Here x cancel, 14 cancel, x cancel. X plus 14 same as, and here only 14 minus 6, 8 remain. Here only x remain. Here only 14 minus 8, 6 remain in root. Here 2x plus 2x, 4x, 12 plus 28, that is 40, 50, 60, 56, sorry. 4 taken common, x plus 14. Here 48x, x plus 14. Roots sent to opposite side, make the square. In cool, very cool mind, you see the solution. Then 48x x plus 14 same as this is 16 and this is x plus 14 square. So x plus 14 cancel. 16 3 the 48, 3x x plus 14, 3x minus x 14, 2x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 7 centimeter. I hope so. Still this step you have to clear. A very important question, that is 4 marks question, come in board examinations, and many times this is NCERT question. So this is very important to understand the concept of the solving of the question. So please see very carefully how we get the value of x. Then we want AB at AC. AB x plus 6, 7 plus 6, 13 centimeter. AC x plus 8, 7 plus 8, that is 15 centimeter. So that's the solution of this question, and very important questions for the board examination. Pause video, note down. Let's see one more question, the best question. To concentric circle of radii 5 and 3 centimeter, find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Means concentric circle means two circle having same center, radii 3 and 5 centimeter, small radius 3 centimeter, big radius 5 centimeter. And the common chord of the larger circle, which is the touches a small circle at P. So this is small r and this is capital R. This make right angle. OP is equal to R equal to 3 centimeter. OB is equal to R equal to 5 centimeter. OP perpendicular AB because BA is tangent. So AP equal to PB because perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. So in triangle BOP using Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OP square plus BP square. OB is 5 square, 3 square, BP square, 25 minus 9, 16 in root because the square sent to both side, square root. So 4 centimeter is equal to BP. That's the value of BP. You want AB is the twice of BP. 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. Is the length of the chord which is the tangent of the small circuit is 8 centimeter. Small question, 2 marks question comes always. Pause video beta, note down. So we explain one more questions for you. Let's see beta, this question also a good question. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meet a line through the center O at a point Q such that PQ 12 cm. Find the length of OQ. Why we explain this question? It's very easy, I know, but only for explaining, because many students have to draw an incorrect figure and got a marks 0. Always when you talk about the tangents, so you have to take the point O. If you draw a straight line here, so this is a slant line because they always make right angle. If you draw line this straight, so this is a slant because they make a right angle. So these two types of figure, these always make right angle. Always, okay? Then P is a point. P is a point of tangents. PQ is a tangent. That's a Q point is an external point, and PQ given 12 centimeter, radius 5 centimeter. You want the length of OQ. Then in triangle POQ, using Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. OQ you don't know. OP 5 square, 12 square, 25 plus 144, 169 is OQ. OQ is equal to root 169, that is 13 centimeter. Always take positive sign because distance always positive. Root always give plus minus both, but you always take positive because length distance always positive. Pause video, note down beta.